Hey guys, welcome back. So I've had a bit of a request from the bearded militaire. They say that right? Let me know. On a how-to on the foamed wheels for the C34 and 44. So if you've owned one of these trucks, you know without any foam of sort that they're pretty much unusable. Let me show you here that I've swapped this front one for a spare. It's got nothing in it, and pushing like that, I've already managed to actually holding on okay. But nonetheless, bit of turning, especially with a weighted truck, and they like to peel from the bead quite often. So I got one here that's been foamed with the wheel weights as well, obviously. So enough of that. I'm going to show you what the foam looks like, the rough length, and obviously how they fit with the weight as well inside. So I'm going to get the wheel and the wheel weight out, and the foam is inside. I'm going to pull it out. So I've gone for one piece. I cut this, I've got some spare foam lying around. I've cut this to about, let me get the old tape measure out. 21 centimeters in length. 3.5 in width, and about 1 centimeter then in depth. So that's the shape I've gone, and this is to cater for the wheel weights. So if you can imagine, they'll sort of wrap around the side of the wheel weight inside the tyre, giving you a stronger sidewall. I've been running these for a while now. They're not glued. Up steep hills they will spin inside the wheels because they're not glued, but they have never ever peeled on me like these do. They're very easy to peel off, especially with a weighted KM truck. So you'll have your piece like this. Obviously you need 4 of them or whatever. If you've got quite a soft foam, you can make the depth a little bit longer, and it'll obviously fill in the gap a little bit nicer. But what you do, you want to put one end in, bring it round, pop the other end in, pinch them both together, pop the middle in, and then work your way around like this. Flatten it out as best you can, make sure there's no twists, because that does happen. Just straighten it all out as best you can, so it's flat in there, so to speak. And then we get our weighted wheel. Let's see if I'm going to put the back end through there. Looks a bit bigger. Pop all the tyre in, and then obviously pop your beads back with a jubbly, and then just give them a bit of a work in, just to make sure they're all nicely lined up. And you have your foams. They'll give you great support, and you shouldn't have any issues then when turning, or the back wheels like to peel off. But I should obviously answer your question. Cheers for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.